Hi everyone, this is George, back with another video. Today I'm doing a review video of this USB mini fridge. And I'm going to talk to you right after the intro. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm reviewing this fridge, and you can see it can actually fit in a bottle, and also I flipped around the box as well to show you it can actually also fit 2 cans in the back as well. And then I'm going to show you it also can be powered by a USB brick, you know, and I'm going to show you inside of the fridge as well. It's, you know, it's also got a fan at the back as well. It's got like a fan at the back as well, you know, to keep it nice and cold, and it's got fins in the back so it keeps it cold, and to keep the silver plate. And then it's got, I can open it up. Inside it's got a little green light in there to show you if it's cold, and also got a can in there as well, your soft drink as well. It's keeping it nice and cold as well. It's got a bit of padding inside in there to keep it keep the cold air in, and you know, and it's magnetized so it actually keeps it closed as well. And it's a very good fridge, isn't it? You can get this colour in white and silver as well, so you can choose any different colours you can as well. So just only 2 colours it comes in, and it's got fin at the bottom. It's got air vent at the bottom as well, and you know, okay. And then also I'm going to show you the switch. It's got like one to heat, 2 to cold. You're pleased to know I tested it and it keeps it nice and cold, and it really works. And then that's it. And so yeah, so it's a very good fridge. I give it a good rating actually as well. I give it a 5-star rating. I think I will. Perhaps it's very good. It's very compact and very easy to use. So if you want to buy this product, all you got to do is go to the link in the bottom of the description, and then if you want to purchase this as well from Amazon, you can go through my channel from this program for this video, and then you can purchase this thing as well. So okay, alright, see you then. Alright then, bye then, bye. Like this video, please smash the thumbs up button and the subscribe button and the bell icon, and get notified when the next video drops, and my notifications will be on as well. So that's it, and bye then.